Good morning guys, pang day 10 ko na ngayon dito sa PTC, few days left, matatapos na yung journey ko at uuwi na ako ng Bulacan. Medyo mixed emotion ako, parang ayaw ko pa umuwi ng Bulacan kasi nag-enjoy pa ako dito sa PTC. Pero namimiss ko na yung bahay. And gayon, nagbago ako ng ban, parang lumaki nga yung mukha ko dito, pero wala. Okay na yung buhok ko, ayaw ko na siyang lugayan, saka pag inayos ko pa siya, malilate na ako. Kahapon, yung lesson namin is tinuruan kami kung paano mag-serve on board sa passenger. Tinuruan din kami kung ano yung sineserve sa economy, business class, pati sa first class. And kung paano nila iserve yung food sa first class, kung yung pagkakasunod-sunod, yung arrangement ng mga plates, ng baso, ayun yung tinuro sa amin kahapon. At ngayon, feeling ko ngayon namin gagawin yung CPR. Medyo excited ako gawin yon kasi hindi ko pa na-try mag-CPR ever. Paalis na din ako ngayon and tignan natin kung paano ko gagawin yung CPR mamaya. Sana hindi ako pa Barbie-Barbie na parang hindi ko mabubuhay yung pasahero. So, ayun lang. See you guys later. Bye!
Pulse and breathing. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Circulation restored. Recovery position. Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay? The victim is unresponsive. Wait for a doctor, inform the flight tech, and get medical equipment. Checking for pulse and breathing. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. No breathing, no pulse. Giving compression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Giving to breast. Kay Jara si Kapana sa breathing, circulation restored. Putting in recovery position. Bend over, stay down. Bend over, stay down. Bend over, stay down. Bend over, stay down. Open seatbelts, 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 open seatbelts,
Open seatbelts, open. Galing ako kay Lord. Talaga.
Hindi ko alam kung may managasting.
Forward facing. Dikit. Pati likod. Dikit. Up. Up. Sige. Yan. O, laki nito. Okay, dikit pa rin.
Pag ganyan,
Dikit.
tanggalin na yan.
Dikit mo. Ako gano'n.
Tanggalin na yan, Hard. Tanggalin na.
Diyan na huwag mo tanggalin. Okay, basta something like push all the way in. Okay.
Parang mas komplikado dito, no?
Ano kayo bibili sa pansin? Sino sa akin art? Try mo yun. Hindi, upgrade.
Good
job. Ayusin mo, be. Yan. Lip.
Bend over, stay down. Bend over, stay down. Bend over, stay down. Bend over, stay down. Open seatbelts, open seatbelts, open seatbelts, open seatbelts. Open seatbelts, open seatbelts, open seatbelts, open seatbelts, open seatbelts, open seatbelts. Open seatbelts, 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 open seatbelts. Come this way, step in, inflate life vest. Come this way.
Yeah!
is provided with a belt. To fasten, simply push ends together. Hold the strap to adjust. To unfasten, just lift the top of the buckle and pull free and to release. Your life vest is located under your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the top and opening the pouch. Slip tab at the bottom of the vest. To manually inflate it, blow into the tube to increase air and push pin inward to release air. Lights will activate automatically in the water. Special life vests are available for children under the age of 4. In case of decompression, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartment above your seat. Pull a mask down sharply to activate the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the plastic strap over your head and tighten by pulling the end of the strap. Remain calm and breathe normally. If you're traveling with a child, attend to yourself first, then to the child. Please note of the emergency exits on this aircraft. There are 6 emergency exits. There are 2 doors at the front and at the rear, and 2 at each side of the overwing exits. During evacuation, do not carry your hand luggage with you. If a smoke is present, keep low and follow the floor proximity lights to the nearest exit. The safety information cards are in the seat pockets in front of you. Please read them carefully before takeoff. Thank you for your
Right position and your tray tables are stowed. Mobile phones and other electronic devices must now be turned off, as they may interfere with the navigational system of this aircraft. As a safety requirement, we will dim the cabin light for takeoff. Reading lights are found in the service panels above you. Thank you.
Cabin crew, take your jump seats for takeoff.
Excuse us, car passing through. Good afternoon, sir. Are you joining us for lunch? We have chicken, rice, and beef with noodles. Which one would you prefer?
Here's your meal, ma'am. How about something to drink, ma'am? We have Sprite, Coke,
You want
water,
it with ice, sir?
and apple juice.
I'll go with Sprite. If you need anything else, sir, just press the passenger.
Cabin crew, disarm doors and cross check. Approach. Yuko. Base of the fires.
Good job.
Good job. Okay, you go down to them. Go. Okay, there you go. Okay, now. Sige, go. Go na kayo doon. Switch. Good job. Okay, go. Warm na kayo. Bitawan mo. Mas mapabibilis ka. There you go. Good job. You're doing great. Doing great. Keep it going. Okay, go. Okay, walang aircraft. Conserve energy. Vital position. Okay, there's an aircraft.
Open.
Bigger circle. Alright, there's an aircraft passing by. Signal for us. More. Okay. Conserve energy.
Ito yung mga taga-Etivac, guys. Ito ang...
Etivac represents
Ito ang... Nakakalu. Galing ni Honey. Bata. Galing. Si Jenny, hindi niya na alam. Si Honey. Si Honey din. Sex bomb! Sex bomb! Galing dancer nga sila.
Congratulations, Shandy A. Rubawa. Congratulations, Christiana Yvonne C. Santana.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ang puti ni Martin. Alam mo, parang kayo, enjoy to kami sa inyo. Oo nga, tayo.